If you are managing multiple social media accounts, client brands, or ad accounts, your desk probably looks like a tech graveyard, just like mine right now. A pile of burner phones, 5 different browsers open, a sticky note full of passwords you are terrified of losing, and constant anxiety that one wrong password login will get your entire operations shadow banned or locked out. Honestly, it's a mess and it's holding you back from actual scaling. So today I'm testing a startup that claims to replace that entire tech graveyard with one single dashboard, and it's called MultiLogin. And the reason this is a potential game changer is not just because it handles browser profiles, because it gives you access to real physical Android cloud phones right inside your computer. So you can run multiple cloud phones just like this one. So right now you can see I'm running this particular cloud phone, and this is not just a simple Android emulator. This is a proper Android cloud phone with a physical ID. And you can use these cloud phones for a variety of different purposes. You can run your social media accounts, and you can run like all sort of like account. You can maybe run your social media accounts from different geographic locations. One thing I have noticed while talking to creators and agencies is that hard part of the job is not strategy. It is the logistics. Imagine if you're handling 5 different clients. Each has an Instagram account, a TikTok account, a Facebook ad account. Suddenly you're not marketeer anymore. You're basically a professional switcher. You're switching proxies, switching devices, switching SIM cards, and most importantly, you're praying that the platform do not flag your activity as suspicious. So this way you're basically spending 40% of your day just trying to stay logged in. And this friction is exactly why most agencies hit a ceiling. You physically can't manage more clients because your setup is too heavy. So this platform is built to strip all that friction away so you can focus on the work that actually makes money. So MultiLogin is basically a unified workspace that bridges the gap between your desktop and the mobile world. Inside this one single dashboard, you can launch isolated browser profiles and of course Android cloud phones as well. Now a lot of tools use emulators, which social media platforms can actually these days spot from a mile away. These often lead to instant bans because they don't look like real human devices. But MultiLogin is different. These are real cloud hosted Android devices. They have authentic hardware adding to Instagram or TikTok. It looks like you are holding a genuine Samsung or Google Pixel in your own hand, even though you are just clicking a button on your laptop. So to start using MultiLogin, just simply go to multilogin.com and then you can just sign up. You can download the MultiLogin software on your computer as I have done in here. Now let's jump into the dashboard and I'll show you how this actually changes your morning routine. So instead of hunting for a right device or opening a suspicious looking incognito window, everything here is categorized. So here with just one single click, I can open a browser profile for a client's Facebook business account. And just within seconds, you can see it has just opened this browser for me with my unique IP and a unique location. And simultaneously, I can also launch my Android cloud phone. I can also organize my entire team's permissions so they only see the accounts they need to work on. For an agency, this turns 30 minutes login process into 30-second workflow. It's about taking back your time. Now, when you launch a cloud phone, you are basically interacting with a high-performance mobile environment. You can choose between brands like Samsung, OnePlus, or Oppo, but the spec sheet is not the point. The result is. Because these are real devices, the apps behave exactly they should. No weird glitches and no unsupported device errors. Now, to create your new cloud phone, it is absolutely simple. All you have to do simply is click on this create button. So you can just choose your use case. You can also choose the number of profiles in here. For proxy, I'm going to use MultiLogin. You can provide a custom proxy. You can provide your proxy details. Let's suppose if you're using residential IP or any other sort of like proxies. You can also set your custom location. So you can just choose any of the countries. So let's suppose I want to choose United States, and then the region as well. You can choose any of the states inside United States. So maybe any of these states, and then just choose certain city in that state. So you can just be really specific. So you can be very specific, like you can choose like the states and even the cities as well. And you can also choose a phone number as well. You can provide a custom phone number, or you can like use an auto-generated phone number. And similarly, the location is IP based, or you can like provide a custom location. So once you have fully customized your settings, you can also choose. So once you have fully customized your settings, now you can simply just click on this create button and your device will be created. This will be as good as any physical device. And similarly, you can create like tens of different devices. Think about the cost saving here. You don't need to buy 10 iPhones or 10 Android devices for your team. You have an entire fleet of phones at your fingertips, which is ready to go whenever you need to scale up a new campaign. The magic actually happens when you see web and mobile workflows working together. If you have ever tried to manage a TikTok account from a desktop browser, you know how limited and risky it feels. But with MultiLogin, you keep your web-based ad management in one tab and your mobile-only app engagement in the other one. It feels like having a physical workspace that expands infinitely. No more two-factor authentication headaches across different devices. It is all just there in one dashboard. So if you are a solo creator, this is great. If you're an agency, this is necessity. You can assign specific profiles to team members without ever sharing a password. This means if a freelancer leaves your team, you don't have to change 50 passwords. You just revoke their access in MultiLogin dashboard. And it it has professional grade security for people who are serious about their digital assets. And I'm not the only one who realized the old way was broken. Looking at the reviews on G2 and Captera, the consensus is clear. People use this because it is stable. When your livelihood depends on an account access, good enough is not enough. Users are consistently pointing out how much debt, both technical and mental, they have cleared by moving their entire operations into MultiLogin. My biggest takeaway is that MultiLogin is not just another tool. It stops you from hacking together a solution with multiple phones and browsers and gives you a legitimate scalable platform. So if you want to stop juggling devices and start managing your business like a pro, you need to try this. So stop wasting time with a messy setup. You can actually test this out right now for less than price of a coffee. Click the link below to get started with MultiLogin. You can grab the Pro 10 plan for just $5.85 per month. To start a 3-day trial for only $1.99. So please don't wait until an account gets flagged to fix your workflow. So just go ahead, give it a try, and do let me know in the comment section what you think about MultiLogin. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.